हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू आवर चैनल नीट एनसीईआरटी बायोलॉजी। तो आज हम एनटीए नीट टेस्ट 21 सॉल्व करेंगे। तो प्लीज़ कॉपी पेन निकाल कर रखें और साथ साथ बनाते जाएं, और अपना जो स्कोर है वो ज़रूर कमेंट बॉक्स में कीजिएगा। और जो भी ट्रिक है मैं उसका प्लेलिस्ट भी दे दूंगा, टाइम स्टाम्प भी, आप वहाँ से भी जाके बायो फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री का ट्रिक्स देख सकते हैं। तो शुरू करते हैं बायो से। तो पहला है, एज each cell of the sporogenous tissue is capable of giving rise to a microspore tetrad. Each one is a potential, and the options are pollen grain, B microspore, C male gametophyte, D pollen mother cell. And the correct answer is D, pollen mother cell. Next, question number 2. How many of the given statement are incorrect? A. The ovaries are located on each side of the lower abdomen. B. Mons pubis is a cushion of fatty tissue covered by skin and pubic hair. C. A primary spermatocyte completes the second meiotic division, leading to the formation of two equal haploid cells called secondary spermatocytes, which have only 23 chromosomes each. D. The secondary follicles get surrounded by more layers of granulosa cells and a new theca. They are called tertiary follicles. And the correct answer is C. Two statements are incorrect. Next, question number 3. Intrauterine devices IUDs are inserted by doctors or expert nurses in the uterus through vagina. These IUDs are presently available as the non-medicated IUDs. Example: first, copper releasing IUDs; second, and the hormone releasing IUDs; third. And the correct answer is B. जो नॉन मेडिकेटेड है वो लिपिज लूप है, कॉपर रिलीजिंग CU7 CU कॉपर टी मल्टीलोड 372-75 सॉरी, और जो हार्मोन रिलीजिंग IUDs है वो प्रोजेस्टासर्ट और LNG20 है। और इसका एक ट्रिक भी है हार्मोन रिलीजिंग याद करने का, कि हार्मोन रिलीजिंग में NCERT में 2 दिया हुआ है, प्रोजेस्टासर्ट और LNG20। तो उसको प्रोजेस्ट्रॉन एक हार्मोन है और ल्यूटिनाइजिंग हार्मोन एक हार्मोन है, तो उससे याद रख सकते हैं। चारों से डिफ्रेंशिएट अपने आप हो जाएगा। ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. चूज द इनकरेक्ट स्टेटमेंट. ए. कैलस इज एन अनऑर्गेनाइज्ड मास ऑफ सेल्स. बी. ग्रोथ ऑफ कैलस कल्चर इज फास्टर देन सस्पेंशन कल्चर. सी. इन कैलस कल्चर इफ हाई ऑक्सीजन टू साइटोकाइनिन रेशियो इज मेंटेन्ड देन रूट्स आर फॉर्म्ड. डी. इन कैलस कल्चर इफ हाई साइटोकाइनिन टू ऑक्सीजन रेशियो इज मेंटेन्ड देन shoots आर फॉर्म्ड. एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज B. Growth of callus culture is faster than suspension culture is incorrect. Next, question number 5. The feeding of cattle should be carried out in a scientific manner with a special emphasis on: A. Quality of fodder. B. Quantity of fodder. C. Both quality and quantity of fodder. D. Neither the quality or quantity of fodder. And the correct answer is C. Both quality and quantity of fodder. Next, question number 6. Which of these is used as a vector in gene therapy for SCID? A. Arbovirus. B. Rotavirus. C. Enterovirus. D. Retrovirus. And the correct answer is D. Retrovirus. Next, question number 7. Ecologically, the most important factor that controls the distribution of organisms on Earth is: A. rainfall. B. temperature. C. light. D. humidity. And the correct answer is B. temperature. Next, question number 8. Which pigments are required for the mechanism of vision? A. opsin. B. retinal. C. both opsin and retinal. D. none of these. And the correct answer is C. both opsin and retinal. Next, question number 9. Which of the following are invasive alien species in the Indian context? A. lantana. B. Parthenium. C. Ecornia. D. all of these. The correct answer is D. all of these. Next, question number 10. The diagram provided below is used to remove which of the pollution? A. particulate matter. B. gaseous pollution. C. SO2 pollution. D. sound pollution. And the correct answer is A. particulate matter. Next, question number 11. Match the column. A. nitrous oxide. B. chlorofluorocarbon. C. methane. D. ozone. E. carbon monoxide. Column 2. A. first, secondary pollutant from car exhaust. Second, combustion of fossil fuels. Third, denitrification. Fourth, refrigerators, aerosols, sprays. Fifth, cattle, rice fields, toilets. And the correct answer is A. यहाँ पे एक ऑप्शन में एक मिस्टेक है, ए का यहाँ पे थर्ड होना चाहिए, नाइट्रस ऑक्साइड डीनाइट्रिफिकेशन होना चाहिए, और ई का सेकंड सही है, ए का सेकंड की जगह पे थर्ड लिखना चाहिए, प्रिंटिंग मिस्टेक है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 12, which of the following bryophytes provides a product that is commonly used as fuel? A. Funaria, B. Sphagnum, C. Polytrichum, D. Markensia. And the correct answer is B. Sphagnum. Next question number 13. Parenchyma is usually present in, and the one cortex, phloem fiber, pericycle, pith, hypodermis, medullary ridge, xylem fibers, mesophyll tissue. And the correct answer is A. 1, 3, 4, 6, 8, यानी कि सेकेंड और 7 जो है फ्लोएम फाइबर और 7 जाइलम फाइबर, ये पेरेन्काइमा टिश्यू नहीं है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 14, द सेल ऑर्गेनेली एसोसिएटेड विद फोटो रिस्पायरेशन इज ए मेजोजोम, बी राइबोजोम, सी पेरोक्सीजोम, डी लाइसोजोम। एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज पेरोक्सीजोम, और इसके अलावा क्लोरोप्लास्ट और माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया भी होते हैं। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 15, अ कैरियोटाइप इज यूज टू स्टडी first number of chromosomes, second position of centromeres, third position of chromosome, fourth length of arms, fifth secondary constriction. And the correct answer is C, all of 15, B 1, 4, 5, 1, 4, 5 मतलब कि सेकेंड और थर्ड पोजीशन ऑफ सेंट्रोमेयर और पोजीशन ऑफ क्रोमोजोम के लिए नहीं करते हैं। सॉरी, 15 का बी आंसर होगा, थर्ड नहीं केवल होगा, पोजीशन ऑफ क्रोमोजोम नहीं होगा, बाकी सारे स्टडी करते हैं। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 16, व्हिच ऑफ द ऑर्गेनिज्म सो माइटोटिक डिवीजन इन बोथ हैप्लोइड एंड डिप्लोइड सेल्स? एंड ऑप्शंस आर एनिमल्स, प्लांट्स, बोथ ऑफ दीज, नन ऑफ दीज। एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज बी, प्लांट्स। Next question number 17, a cell undergoes mitosis in 30 minutes. Find the number of cells produced after 24 hours if initially 10 to the power 15 cells are present. And the correct answer is B, 2 to the power 48 into 10 to the power 5. Next question number 18, the osmotic pressure of 1 m solution of sucrose is 22.4 atm. What will be the osmotic potential of 0.1 m sucrose solution? And the correct answer is C, minus 2.24 bars. Next question number 19, how many ATPs will be produced during the production of one molecule of acetyl CoA from one molecule of pyruvic acid? And the correct answer is A, 3 ATP. Next question number 20, two important intrinsic controls which are important in plant growth and development are A, PGR, C, genomic control, B, genomic control, C, both A and B, D, O2 concentration. And the correct answer is C, both A and B. Next question number 11, a unique vascular connection that exists between the digestive tract and liver is commonly known as A, venous system, B, arterial system, C, lymphatic system, D, portal system, and the in full form hepatic portal system. Next question number 22, how much blood is filtered by the human kidney in 1 minute? And the correct answer is C, 1100 ml. Next question number 23, which of the following sphincter guard the opening of the stomach into the duodenum? A, sphincter of Oddi, B, pyloric sphincter, C, esophageal sphincter, D, ileocecal sphincter. And the correct answer is B, pyloric sphincter. Next question number 24, incorrect statement about electrical synapse is A, the neurotransmitter released from the presynaptic membranes bind to receptors on the postsynaptic membrane, B, impulse conduction occurs at faster rate, C, presynaptic and postsynaptic neurons are very close to each other at synapse, D, no requirement of neurotransmitters. And the correct answer is A, the neurotransmitter released from the presynaptic membrane binds to receptors on the postsynaptic membrane. Next question number 25, which of the following correctly describes the function of FSH in females? And the correct answer is A, it stimulates growth and development of the ovarian follicles. Next question number 26, how many of the given statements are true? A, first, pars nervosa stores and release two hormones called oxytocin and vasopressin. Second, melatonin influences the menstrual cycles. Third, calcitonin stimulates reabsorption of Ca2 plus by the renal tubules. Fourth, after ovulation, the ruptured follicles is converted to macrolutea, and the correct answer is C. 3 of following is true. Next question number 27. The enzyme missing in phenylketonuria is A. Phenylalanine hydroxylase, B. Phenylalanine reductase, C. Phenyl oxidase, D. Phenyl oxidoreductase, and the correct answer is A. Phenylalanine hydroxylase. Next question number 28. Which of the following biological phenomenon involves a bacteriophage? A. Transformation, B. Conjugation, C. Translocation, D. Transduction, and the correct answer is D. Transduction. Next question number 29. Blind sac body plan is found in the members of A. Platyhelminthes and Excalibur, B. Mollusca and Echinodermata, C. Porifera and Coelenterata, D. Coelenterata and Platyhelminthes, and the correct answer is D. Coelenterata and Platyhelminthes. Next question number 30. Which of the following sets of characteristics is found in phylum Echinodermata? A. Presence of water vascular system and indirect development of larva, B. Bilateral symmetrical and acoelomate, C. Reproduction in asexual and fertilization is internal, D. Presence of water vascular system with a well developed excretory system, and the correct answer is A. Presence of water vascular system and indirect development of larva. Next question number 31. The Montreal Protocol has been introduced to A. Check depletion of ozone layer, B. Mitigate the climate change, C. Check soil erosion, D. Preserve water sources, and the correct answer is A. Check depletion of the ozone layer. Next question number 32. In angiosperm, the endosperm is A. Short-lived, B. Persistent female gametophyte, C. Formed before fertilization, D. Formed after fertilization, and the correct answer is D. Formed after fertilization. Next question number 33. A large quantity of monoclonal antibodies are produced from, and the correct answer is C. Hybridoma cells. Next question number 34. Gel electrophoresis is used for, and the correct answer is B. Separation of DNA fragments according to their size. Next question number 35. Which of the following is common pathway in both aerobic and anaerobic for respiration, and the correct answer is C. Glycolysis. Question number 36. Select the mismatch among the following: A. Condictive placoid scales, B. Columba diaphragm, C. Blanogrossus proboscis glands, D. Limulus chitinus cuticle, and correct answer is B. डायफ्राम. कोलंबा में डायफ्राम नहीं, कोलंबा बोलते हैं पिजन को, मैमेलियन का कैरेक्टर है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 37. द जीनस ऑफ काइटोना मोलस्क इज, एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज ए. काइटोप्लूरा. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 38. द मोलस्का ऑफ द स्टोमक इज लाइंड विथ ए. नॉन ग्लैंडुलर सिंपल cuboidal epithelium, B. Glandular simple cuboidal epithelium, C. Non-glandular simple columnar epithelium, D. Glandular simple columnar epithelium, and the correct answer is D. Glandular simple columnar epithelium. Next question number 39. In rotifer, syngamy is absent. Which mode of reproduction is observed in this organism instead? And the correct answer is A. Apomixis. Sorry, 39A. Parthenogenesis. Next question number 40. In which of the following locations are Saccard groups found? And the correct answer is D. All of these: Kasi Jayantia Hills in Meghalaya, Aravali Hills of Rajasthan, Sarguja Chanda and Bastar areas of Madhya Pradesh. Next question number 41. Which set of evolutionary stages of human were discovered before ape man? And the correct answer is A. Dryopithecus and Ramapithecus. Next question number 42. Phloem sap is mainly composed of A. Water and sucrose, B. Water and minerals, C. Sucrose and minerals, D. Minerals and hormones, and the correct answer is A. Water and sucrose. Next question number 43. Which of the following muscles are known to be involuntary, branched and striated? And the correct answer is C. Cardiac muscles. Next question number 44. Which of the following is a substitution of mitochondria in E. coli? And the correct answer is B. Mesosome. Next question number 45. Which is the following amino acid coded by only single codon? A. Tyrosine, B. Phenylalanine, C. Tryptophan, D. Isoleucine, and the correct answer is C. Tryptophan. Next question number 46. Destruction of chlorophyll, premature falling of leaves and yellowing of leaf is caused due to, excess amounts of, and correct answer is B, SO2. Next question number 47. Which is correct about the anal cerci in a cockroach? A. Emerge out from 10th segment in both the sexes. B. Found in male cockroach only. C. These are short thread-like stretches. D. These are used for the purpose of reproduction. And the correct answer is A. Emerge out from the 10th segment in the both sexes. Next question number 48. Which the following structure is composed of cuboidal epithelium and contains microvilli? And the correct answer is C. Ducts of glands. Next question number 49. Which substance is incorrectly matched with its mode of absorption in the gut? And the correct answer is D. Most of the amino acids facilitate transport. Next question number 50. Which of the following is correct for mRNA synthesized in leukocytes? And the correct answer is B. Exons appear, but introns do not appear in the mature RNA. Next question number 51. In the larynx, which of the following is a thin elastic cartilaginous flap? And the correct answer is D. Epiglottis. Next question number 52. The spinal cord passes through which of the following vertebral structure? And the correct answer is A. Neural canal. Next question number 53. Which of the following disorders show a karyotype of 47 chromosomes XXY? And the correct answer is D. Klinefelter syndrome. Next question number 54. In sickle cell anemia, glutamic acid is replaced by valine. Which one of the following triplets codes for valine? And the correct answer is D. GUG. Next question number 55. The distance between the genes and percentage recombination shows. And the correct answer is A. A direct relationship. Distance between genes is directly proportional to percentage recombination. Next question number 56. In human brain, the cerebral aqueduct passes through. And the correct answer is C. Midbrain. Question number 57. Which set of animals are included under protochordates? And the correct answer is A. Salpa, Doliolum, Bronchiostoma. Next question number 58. Racemose inflorescence is observed in the family. And the correct answer is D. Fabaceae family. Next question number 59. The stem with bicollateral vascular bundles and flowers with cylindrous condition is found in. And the correct answer is C. Cucurbitaceae. Next question number 60. Which organ is responsible for the secretion of the erythropoietin hormone? And the correct answer is B. Kidney. Next question number 61. Which of the following is incorrect about spermatogenesis? And the correct answer is C. Production of one sperm and 3 polar bodies नहीं बनता है. Incorrect statement है. Next question number 62. Which taxonomical aid provides protection and identification of animals in artificial habitat? And the correct answer is C. Zoological park. Next question number 63. Bacteria that are saprotrophs but can be a parasite and cause disease upon introduction to host body are called. And the correct answer is C. Facultative parasite. Next question number 64. Which of the following change does not occur during conversions of secondary follicle into tertiary follicles? And the correct answer is D. Second polar body is released. Next question number 65. Oogamous type of sexual reproduction is found in A. Chlamydomonas, B. Volvox, C. Spirogyra, D. Both A and B. And the correct answer is B. Volvox. Next question number 66. In which of the following plants both pollen grain and seeds have a wing-shaped structure? And the correct answer is D. Pinus. Next question number 67. In chloroplast, the site for initial photochemical reaction is. And the correct answer is C. Thylakoid membrane. 68. In which of the following enzyme non-protein part is heme? And the correct answer is D. Both B and C. Peroxidase and catalase both have non-protein part heme. Next question number 69. S.L. Miller gave the experimental proof of the theory of chemical evolution. Which chemical substances were obtained by him during the experiment? And the correct answer is C. Amino acids. Next question number 70. Tubulin protein is synthesized in which phase of cell cycle? And the correct answer is C. Interphase. Next question number 71. Which of the following is not common between facilitated transport and active transport? And the correct answer is A. uphill transport. Next question number 72. All the following statements are correct about homologous organ except, and the correct answer is B. Homologous organ perform same function. This is incorrect statement. Next question number 73. The product of light reaction in green algae is, and the correct answer is A. ATP NADPH plus H plus. Next question number 74. Identify the disease which is characterized by the following symptoms: A. Alveoli filled with fluid, B. fever, chills, headache, C. coughing, and the correct answer is A. Pneumonia. Next question number 75. Primary acceptor in tricarboxylic acid cycle is, and the correct answer is A. oxaloacetate. Next question number 76. Which of the following show plasticity, and the correct answer is A. cotton, buttercup, coriander etc. इसका एग्जाम्पल है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 77. Which of the following is not true about the stomach in humans? A. Esophagus opens in cardiac part of a stomach. Pepsin is proteolytic enzyme of a stomach. C. Renin is proteolytic enzyme in gastric juice of infants. D. Secretion of gastric gland does not have lipase, and the incorrect statement is D. gastric gland में lipase होते हैं. Next question number 78. Which of the following organism is not correctly matched with the respiratory organs? A. earthworm, B. aquatic mollusk, C. frogs, D. flatworms. Column 2. Marsh cuticle gills, pulmonary and cutaneous respiration gills, and the correct answer is D. flatworm gills respiration नहीं करता है. Next question number 79. From the list given, how many are not associated with asexual reproduction? And the correct answer is 79. C. 5. शुगर कैन होगा, जिंजर होगा, मेज नहीं होगा, बार्ली नहीं होगा, टोबैको भी नहीं होगा, पी भी नहीं होगा, सनफ्लावर नॉट एसोसिएटेड विद द एक्सेसिव रिप्रोडक्शन. तो शुगर कौन होगा, जिंजर होगा, मेज नहीं होगा, बार्ली नहीं होगा, 2 हो गया, टोबैको नहीं होगा, 3 हो गया, पी हो गया, 4, सनफ्लावर भी नहीं होगा, 5, बाकी पोटैटो और ब्रायोफाइलम में होगा, शुगर केन में होगा. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 80. Amoebic dysentery is caused by A. Entamoeba coli, B. E. coli, C. Entamoeba histolytica, D. Entamoeba dispar, and the correct answer is C. Entamoeba histolytica. Next question number 81. Minerals required for germination of pollen grain on stigma are, and the correct answer is A. calcium and boron. Next question number 82. Grasshopper is an example of XY type of sex determination, XO type of sex determination, C. environmental sex determination, D. जीनी सेक्स बैलेंस थ्योरी. और एक क्वेश्चन रिपीट भी किया, इसी टाइप का क्वेश्चन पिछले बार में पूछा हुआ था, तो इसका करेक्ट आंसर हो जाएगा बी. ग्रास होपर में 6 जीनोटाइप होता है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 83. मोनस्कस परप्यूरियस is used commercially in the production of, and the correct answer is C. streptokinase. इसका मैंने ट्रिक बना रखा है, आप हमारे चैनल में वीडियो में आप विजिट करके देख सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 84. एम्फेटामाइन्स एंड कैफीन आर रेस्पेक्टिवली, एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज डी. बोथ स्टूमुलेंट है, एम्फेटामाइन भी स्टूमुलेंट है और कैफीन भी स्टूमुलेंट है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 85. व्हिच द फॉलोइंग नॉट हैप्लोइड, एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज डी. ए और बी यानी स्पर्मेटोगोनिया और प्राइमरी स्पर्मेटोसाइट दोनों डिप्लॉयड हैं. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 86. सेलेक्ट द करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट. ए. Population of India has crossed 1 million in May 2000. B. Cervical caps and vaults both are barrier methods of contraception. C. Saheli is once a month pill. D. Government of India has legalized AMTP Act in 1981. And the correct answer is B. Cervical caps and vaults both are barrier methods of contraception. Next question 87. Mark the correct pair. And the correct answer is B. डायापोज जू प्लैंक्टोन्स में होता है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर. पोलर बियर माइग्रेशन नहीं करता है. डायापोज लिजर्ड जो है तो होता है डिजर्ट लिजर्स, वो बिहेवियर करता है, बिहेवियर एडेप्टेशन, और लोकस्ट भी सस्पेंड नहीं करता है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 88. द एम्बिंगडोन टोर्टवाइज बिकेम एक्सटिंक्ट ऑन गैलापागोस आइसलैंड विद इन अ डिकेड ऑफ द introduction of goats. This is an example of A, resource partitioning, B, competitive release, C, competitive inclusion, D, interference competition, and the correct answer is D, interference competition. Next question number 89. The radula is found in and helps in, and the correct answer is A, radula is found in mollusca and help in feeding. Next question number 90. Limit of the environment to support a population is called A, biotic potential, B, purifying capacity, C, carrying capacity, D, environmental resistance, and the correct answer is C, purifying capacity, C, carrying capacity. Okay, it's all are the biology question. Now come to the chemistry question. Question number first. Consider following E0 values under similar condition. The potential for the reaction क्या होगा Cu plus 2Li का, and the correct answer is A, minus 3.39 volt. Next question number 2. The IPSC name of the following compound is, and the correct answer is B, 2-methyl 1-phenyl propane 1-amine. Next question number 3. Select the correct order of the given property. थर्मल स्टेबिलिटी, बेसिक नेचर, सोलेबिलिटी का और मेल्टिंग पॉइंट का ऑर्डर निकालना है. उसका करेक्ट आंसर हो जाएगा ए, 1 और 4 दोनों सही है, बाकी सारे गलत है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. द रिएक्शन विथ इनकरेक्ट मेजर पे प्रोडक्ट इज, एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज बी, बी जो है इनकरेक्ट है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग रिप्रेजेंट द कंसोल्वेटिंग इफेक्ट, एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज डी, ऑल ऑफ द गिवन आर एग्जांपल्स ऑफ कंसोल्वेटिंग इफेक्ट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. एन alkene A on nodulolysis gives only product B compound. B on reaction with NH2OH followed by reaction with H2SO4 gives N-methyl benzenamide, the compound H, and the correct answer is B. Next question number 7. Match list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer using codes given below in the list, and the correct answer is C, 1 का D, 2 का C, 3 का E और 4 का A. Next question number 8. Which is an incorrect statement? A, diamond is unaffected by conch acid, but graphite reacts with hot conch HNO3 forming metallic acid. B, CO is toxic because it forms a complex with hemoglobin in the blood. C, C3O2 carbon monoxide is a foul smelling gas. D, COCl2 is called tear gas, and the correct answer is D, COCl2 is called tear gas. Next question number 9. Which test is used to distinguish aldehydes from ketones, and the correct answer is C, both A and B. Next question number 10. Greater is the protective power of lyophilic chloride, and the correct answer is A, lesser is the gold number. जितना कम गोल्ड नंबर है उतना अच्छा रहेगा, उतना ग्रेटर रहेगा प्रोटेक्टिव पावर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 11. एक्राइलिक एसिड रिएक्ट्स विथ HBr to give, and the correct answer is B, Br2 CH2 CH2 COOH. Next question number 12. In the sequence Z is mainly, and the correct answer is A, isobutylene. Next question number 13. Factors affecting Kc is, and the correct answer is C, method of writing balanced equation or stoichiometry of reaction. Next question number 14. प्रोडक्ट के बारे में बताना है, करेक्ट आंसर हो जाएगा C. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 15. CH3CONH2 and HCONH CH3 are called, and the correct answer is D, functional isomers. Next question number 16. For the reaction 2N2O5 gas gives 4N2 gas plus O2 gas. If the concentration of NO2 increased by 5.2 into 10 to the power minus 3 m in 100 seconds, then the rate of the reaction is, and the correct answer is A, 1.3 into 10 to the power minus 5 m per second. Next question number 17. For the formation of pterylene, the number of moles of ethylene glycol required per mole of terephthalic acid is, and the correct answer is A, 1. Next question number 18. H2O2 is prepared in the laboratory when, and the correct answer is B, when BaO2 is added to CO2 bubbling through cold water. Next question number 19. A certain hill station pure water boils at 99.72 degrees Celsius. If Kb for water is 0.513 degrees Celsius kg per mole, the boiling point of 0.69 m solution of urea will be, and the correct answer is A, Next question number 20. Which of the following is water soluble vitamin? And the correct answer is B, riboflavin. विटामिन बी कम्प्लेक्स का है राइबोफ्लाविन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर, इस वाटर सोलूबल से हम लोग ऐसे याद सकते हैं, वाटर सोलूबल बी सी, वाटर सोलूबल यानी कि विटामिन बी और सी जो है वो वाटर सोलूबल है, और जो फैट सोलूबल है और विटामिन ए डी ई एंड के होते हैं. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 21. The dipole moment of this compound is 1.5 d. The dipole moment of this compound will be, and the correct answer is B, 1.5 d. Next question number 22. The statement which is false among the following is, and the correct answer is B, carbon can form carbon double bond sulfur bond because C has the ability to form d pi bond. Next question number 23. Which of the following compound will exhibit geometrical isomerism? And the correct answer is A, 1-phenyl-2-butene. Next question number 24. Select the correct matching. And the correct answer is A, 1 का D, 2C, 3A, 4B. Next question number 25. The number of sigma bonds in the compound P4O10 is, and the correct answer is D, 16. 26. CH3 CH2 COOH, red phosphorus and HI with alcoholic KOH product is, and the product is A, CH2 double bond CH3COOH. Next question number 27. In a solid AB having the NaCl structure, A atoms occupy the corners of the cubic unit cell. If all the face-centered atoms along one of the axes are removed, then the resultant stoichiometry of the solid is, and the correct answer is D, A3B4. Next question number 28. Consider the following reaction, and the correct answer is C, ethyl alcohol. Next question number 29. One of the following incorrect statement, and the incorrect statement is A, molality of solution is dependent on temperature. टेम्परेचर पर डिपेंड नहीं करता है, टेम्परेचर पे. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 30. N2 and O2 are converted to monocations N2 plus and O2 plus respectively. Which is wrong statement? And the correct statement is D, N2 plus becomes diamagnetic. Next question number 31. Which of the following compounds on hydrolysis gives propine? And the correct answer is B, Mg2C3. Next question number 32. Xenon trioxide XCO3 forms Zenet ions in alkaline medium. The compound Z is expected to be, and the correct answer is C, Na4XCO6. Question number 33. Mn2 plus can be converted to Mn plus 7 by reacting with C, PbO2. Next question number 34. Base catalyzed condensation between the following compounds followed by dehydration gives methyl vinyl ketone, and the correct answer is A, HCHO and CH3COCH3. Next question number 35. In which of the following transitions will the wavelength be minimum? And the correct answer is C, n equal to 3, n equal to 1. Next question number 36. The increasing order of the rate of HCN addition to compound A to D is, and the correct answer is C. Next question number 37. CH3NH2 0.12 mole pKb equal to 3.3 is added to 0.08 moles of HCl, and the solution is diluted to 1 liter. Resulting pH of solution is, and the correct answer of 37 is C, 10.4. 38. 64 gram of non-volatile solute is added to 702 gram benzene. The vapor pressure of benzene has decreased from 200 mm of Ag to 180 mm of Ag. Molecular weight of the solute is, and the correct answer is B, 64. Next question number 39. Malonic acid and succinic acid are distinguished by A, heating, B, sodium bicarbonate, C, A and B, D, none of these, and the correct answer is A, heating. Next question number 40. Match the geometry with the complexes, and the correct answer is B, 1R, 2P, 3Q. Next question number 41. You are given a mixture of ZNS and PBS. The two compounds can be separated by, and the correct answer is A, Froth flotation on adding NaCN. मेटलर्जी का क्वेश्चन है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 42, अ सॉल्ट ऑफ NaX MgCl2 व्हाइट PPT ऑन बॉइलिंग 10 NaNX इज, एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज A HCO3 माइनस। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 43, द प्रोडक्ट इन द गिवन रिएक्शन इज CH2OH reaction with H3PO4 and heat, and the correct answer is C. Next question number 44, CuSO4 reacts with excess KCN to form, and the correct answer is D K3CuCN whole 4. Next question number 45, if 30 ml of H2 and 20 ml of O2 react to form water, what is left at the end of the reaction, and the correct answer is D 5 ml of O2. Next question number, next come to the physics questions. The angular velocity of a body is omega equal to 2i plus 3j plus 4k cap, and the torque tau equal to I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap acts on it. The rotational power will be, and the correct answer is A 20 watt. Question number 2, the potential energy of particle of mass 5 kg moving in the xy plane is given E equal to -7x plus 24y joule, where x and y are in meters. If t equal to 0, the particle starts from rest from the origin, then speed of the particle at t equal to 2 seconds is, and correct answer is B 10 meter per second. Question number 3, in the friction, if the friction is sufficient to prevent the block from sliding, when the minimum value of F for which the cube begins to topple about an edge will be, and the correct answer is B 3/4 mg. Question number 4, a uniform cylinder rolls down from rest on a track whose vertical cross section is a parabola given by the equation y equal to kx square. If the surface is rough from A to B, due to which the cylinder does not slip but it is frictionless from B to C, then the height of ascent of the cylinder towards C is, and the correct answer is D y1. Next question number 5, a magnetic dipole is placed at right angles to the direction of magnetic induction B. If it is rotated through an angle of 180 degree, then the work done is, and the correct answer is B D 0. Next question number 6, a projectile is thrown with a velocity of 20 meter per second at an angle of 60 degree with the horizontal. After how much time the velocity vector will make an angle of 45 degree with the horizontal, and the correct answer is D under root 3 minus 1 second. Next question number 7, a sample contains large number of nuclei. The probability that a nucleus in a sample will decay after 4 lives is, and the correct answer is C 15/16. Next 8, photoelectric emission is observed from a metallic surface for frequencies n1 and n2 of the incident rays n1 is more than n2. If the maximum values of kinetic energy of the photoelectrons emitted in the two cases are in the ratio of 1:k, then the threshold frequency of the metallic surface is, and the correct answer is B Kn1 minus n2 k minus 1. Next question number 9, in a compound microscope the focal lengths of two lenses are 1.5 cm and 6.25 cm, and an object is placed at 2 cm from objective, and the final image is formed at 25 cm from eye lens. The distance between the two lenses is, and the correct answer is D 11 cm. 10, when a ray is refracted from one medium into another medium, the wavelength changes from 6000 angstrom to 4000 angstrom. The critical angle for a ray from second medium will be, and the correct answer is B sin inverse 2/3. Next question number 11, a 100 volt AC source of frequency 500 Hz is connected to LCR circuit with L equal to 8.1 millihenry, C equal to 12.5 microfarad, and R equal to 10 ohm, all connected in series. The potential difference across the resistance is, and the correct answer is A 100 volt. Next question number 12, a rod of length L rotates with a small but uniform angular velocity omega about its perpendicular bisector. A uniform magnetic field B exists parallel to the axis of rotation. The potential difference between the two ends of the rod is, and the correct answer is A 0. Next question number 13, in the figure which of the diode is in reverse bias, and the correct answer is B. Next question number 14. In the given figure shown below, each battery has EMF equal to 5 volt. Then the magnetic field at P is and the correct answer is A, 0. Next question number 15. Two long parallel wires are 30 cm apart, carrying currents 10 ampere and 15 ampere respectively in the same direction. The force acting over a length of 5 meter of the wires is, and the correct answer is A, 5 × 10 to the minus 4 Newton attraction होगा. Next question number 16. The resistance of a moving coil galvanometer is 20 ohm. It requires 0.1 ampere current for full scale deflection. The value of resistance to convert it into a voltmeter of the range 20 volt will be, and the correct answer is B, 1980 ohm. Next question number 17. And consider the situation shown in the figure. The wire AB is sliding on the fixed rails with constant velocity v. If the wire AB is replaced by a semiconductor circular wire, the magnitude of the induced current will be, and the correct answer is B, remains the same. Next question number 18. Question number 18. The coefficient of friction between two surfaces is 0.2. The maximum angle of friction is, and the correct answer is D, cot inverse 5. Next question number 19. The ratio of thermal conductivity of two rods of different material is 5:4. The two rods of same area of cross section and same thermal resistance will have the length in the ratio, and the correct answer is D, 5:4. Next question number 20. A dielectric slab is inserted between the plates of an isolated capacitor. The force between the plates will be, and the correct answer is C, remains unchanged. Next question number 21. The effective capacitance of two capacitors of capacitance C1 and C2, where C2 is greater than C1, connected in parallel is 25/6 times the effective capacitance when they are connected in series. The ratio C2/C1 is, and the correct answer is A, 3/2. Next question number 22. A particle moves under the effect of a force F equal to Cx from x equal to 0 to x equal to x1. The work done in the process is, and the correct answer is B, 1/2 C1 Cx1 square. Next question number 23. Root mean square speed of an ideal gas at 300 Kelvin is 500 meter per second. Temperature increased 4 times. The root mean square speed will become, and the correct answer is A, 1000 meter per second. Next question number 24. When a laser beam returns after reflection from an aeroplane, the observed change in frequency is 1%. Then the speed of the aeroplane is c is velocity of light, and the correct answer is C, C/200. Question number 25. A ring consisting of two parts ADB and ACB of same conductivity K carries an amount of heat H. The ADB part is now replaced with another metal, keeping the temperature T1 and T2 constant. The heat carried increases to 2 Henry. What should be the conductivity of new ADB part? And the correct answer is A, 7/3 Kelvin. Next question number 26. The period of oscillation of a simple pendulum of length L suspended from the roof of vehicle which moves without friction down an inclined plane of inclination alpha is given by, and the correct answer is A, 2 pi under root 1 by g cos alpha. Next question number 27. The potential energy of a body of mass 3 kg on the surface of a planet is 54 joule. The escape velocity will be, and the correct answer is D, 6 meter per second. Next question number 28. A particle is projected with velocity kve in the vertically upward direction from the ground into a space. V is k velocity and k is less than 1. The maximum height from the center of the earth to which it can reach is, and the correct answer is C, r/1 minus k square. Question number 29. A uniform bar of length 6a and mass 8 meter lies on a smooth horizontal table. The two point masses m and 2m moving in the same horizontal plane with the speeds 2v and v respectively strike the bar and stick to the bar after collision, then the angular velocity of the bar about the center of mass is, and the correct answer is C, v by 5a. Question number 30. When induced EMF in inductor coil is 50% of its maximum value, then stored energy in inductor coil in the given circuit will be, and the correct answer is A, 2.5 millijoule. Next question number 31. The magnetic flux through a coil varies with time at phi equal to 5t minus 6t plus 9. The ratio of EMF at t equal to 0 second to t equal to 0.5 second will be, and the correct answer is C, 6:1. 32. Specific resistance of wire depend on the A, length of wire, B, area of cross section of wire, C, resistance of wire, D, material of the wire, and the correct answer is D, material of wire. 33. What is the ratio of electrostatic potential at the corner at the center of point charged conducting cube? The potential is considered 0 at infinity, and the correct answer is D, 1:1. And the correct and the 34. The work done by the forces external and internal on a system is equal to the change in, and the correct answer is B, kinetic energy. Change in kinetic is equal to work done. Next question number 35. The potential energy of body of mass m is E equal to ax plus by. The magnitude of the acceleration of the body will be, and the correct answer is C, under root a square plus b square by m. Next question number 36. A ball of mass 1 kg moving with a velocity of 0.4 meter per second collides with another stationary ball. After the collision, the first ball moves with the velocity of 0.3 meter per second in the direction, making an angle of 90 degree with its initial direction. The momentum of the second ball after collision will be in kg meter per second, and the correct answer is C, 0.5. Question number 37. Interference is observed due to two coherent sources A and B having zero phase difference separated by a distance 4 lambda along the direction y-axis, where lambda is the wavelength of the source. A detector D is moved on the positive x-axis. The number of points on the x-axis excluding the points x equal to 0 and x equal to infinite at which maximum observed will be observed, and the correct answer is A, 3. Question number 38. A convex lens A of focal length 20 cm and a concave lens B of focal length 5 cm are kept along the same axis with a distance d between them. If a parallel beam of light falling on A leaves B as parallel beam, then the dielectric D in centimeter will be, and the correct answer is B, 15. Next question number 39. A variable force F acts around the x-axis given by F equal to 3x square minus 2x plus 1 Newton. The work done by the force when a particle of mass 100 gram moves from x equal to 50 centimeter to x equal to 100 centimeter is, and the correct answer is A, 0.625 joule. Next question number 40. Two blocks of masses m and 2m are placed one over the other as shown in the figure. The coefficient of friction between m and 2m is mu, and between 2m and ground is mu by 3. If horizontal force F is applied on the upper block and T is the tension developed in that string, then choose the incorrect alternative, and the correct answer is C. If F equal to 2 micro mg, T equal to mu mg by 3. Question number 41. According to Bohr's model, the magnetic field at the center at the nucleus of a hydrogen atom due to motion of electron in the nth orbit is proportional to, and the correct answer is B, 1 by 10 to the power 5. Next question number 42. The half-life of radioactive substance is 50 days. That the substance will disintegrate completely in, and the correct answer is D, infinite time. Next question number 43. Which is the following curve is correct? And the correct answer is A. Next question number 44. A simple telescope consisting of an objective lens of focal length 50 cm and eye lens of focal length 5 cm is focused on a distant object. If the object subtends an angle of 2 degree at the objective lens, the angular width of the image is, and the correct answer is D, 24 degree. Next question number last 45 of physics. An equilateral prism has an angle of minimum deviation 30 degree. Find total deviation if a ray is incident normally on the surface, and the correct answer is B, 60 degree. Okay, these all are the questions of NTA test 21. Please like our video, subscribe the channel and share to your friends. This is only for quick review, not the solution, entire solution. For solution you can view the app solution or different video which is mentioned in description. Okay, thanks for watching.